Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to unlock Toyota RAV4 the only way. Stand at the driver's door with the key fob and spare key visible. Press and hold the unlock button while pulling the exterior handle firmly and deliberately. If Smart Entry is enabled, use the touch sensor on the handle and wait for the confirmation chirp or light flash. Confirm all doors are unlatched before opening and store a spare key safely afterward. Stand beside the RAV4 with the fob in hand and ensure the car is not in motion. Hold the fob near the driver door and press the unlock button while pulling the handle to trigger Smart Entry. For vehicles with touch sensors, touch the sensor pad while the fob is present and wait for the chirp. If the fob fails, use the physical key to access the lock and then check fob battery and settings. If the RAV4 does not respond, start with the simplest fix. Replace the key fob battery and retry the unlock sequence. Verify the vehicle settings do not have valet or security locks enabled that block remote entry. Inspect the door handle sensor for dirt or damage and clean gently if needed. When problems persist, contact a trusted locksmith or dealer for professional assistance to avoid damaging locks or triggering anti-theft systems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.